How many times has the fear of what might happen prevented you from taking action on something that you really want to do? Fear setting is a simple mental tool that we can use to manage our fears and the effects of negative thinking. It's an exercise that helps you make hard decisions when fear is holding you back and distorting your thinking. All you need to complete the exercise is 3 pieces of paper, a pen, and about an hour of quiet time. Divide the first piece of paper into 3 columns, headed Define, Prevent, and Repair. In the Define column, list everything you fear about taking action. In the Prevent column, list the ways you can reduce the likelihood of the worst case scenario happening. And in the Repair column, list the ways that you can repair any damage if the worst case scenario were to come true. Rate your impact of the worst case scenario on a scale of 1 to 10. On the second piece of paper, consider what might go right if you do decide to take action. List the positive benefits of an attempt or partial success at taking action. Rate these impacts on a scale of 1 to 10. On the third piece of paper, write down the cost of maintaining the status quo over 6 months, 1 year, and 3 years. If the scores on page 2 are higher than page 1, start taking action despite your fears so that you can live a happier life.